Edo Governor Gov Obaseki don warn and threaten to arrest federal government mining officers for Edo State where they illegally authorize the operation of borrow pits for Obage Nevosa, Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State. Oga Governor gave this warning during one check visit to the site where they led by the Commissioner for Environment and Sustainability, Joshua Omokodion. Obaseki Konya say in dey surprised and concerned over the illegal activities for the area and said the city dey under environmental threat. He also tok say the administration go take all necessary actions to stop illegal sand mining for Edo State and say these activities dey show disregard for law, order and government authority. Obaseki Konya say the borrow pit operators no get respect for government regulations and dem dey challenge the government authority and say the government go use e full power to address the situation as these activities dey pose serious environmental threat including potential landslide and damage to national infrastructure. The governor con draw ear for the federal mining officers wey dey permit these illegal activities and say dem go arrest and deal with them and say Edo State no go tolerate environmental devastation and the government go take all measures to protect the community and the environment from illegal mining operations.
You can see these people don't care about law and order. They just have no respect for government. We issued a statement warning people who are operating borrow pits to desist until we agree on the areas that can be borrowed. But from what we've seen here today, it's like these operators have no respect and they're challenging government, and government will show its full might and full force. This is environmentally threatening because if we continue at this rate, we'll lose areas, we'll lose communities. The National Transmission Company issued a warning that even our transmission lines are being threatened because people are borrowing and taking sand around areas that are hosting this national infrastructure. You can see what is going on here. This is illegal, it's illicit, and we as a government are going to do everything possible to put an end to this. And we're sending this as a warning to the mining officers, the federal mining officers in the state, who permit these, who give these authorizations, that we will arrest and deal with them in Edo State. This is not a banana republic. You just cannot come out here and devastate our environment this way. Very soon, people around this community will not be able to live. In the next few years, there will be landslides, there will be mudslides because of the way they are going out, carrying out these mining activities. It is just not right. We cannot continue to do this to ourselves. Our city is under threat, and this government will do everything to stop all of those who are illegally mining sand.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.